Shall I bring you the bill?
No, I'll tell you when I want the bill. Actually, could you please take me to the restroom?
No,
Pardon me?
ma'am. You can't use the toilet here. It's not for people like you.
People like me. And by that you mean... I see. Am I now good enough to use your toilet? Huh?
Any problems here?
Problem.
I like the way you're doing it, Barbara. I liked it when you're on your knees. Relax. Relax, Barbara.
Mr. Lake, it's my boss. He harassed me.
Have you looked in the mirror lately? Who could want you except for me?
I'm afraid I'm not taking your case. You're too much ugly to be the victim of the harassment. There's not one court in this whole world that's gonna convict me. Just play by the rules. Play by my rules.